Hello, good morning. This is Carlos Vasquez, and I will be your professor during the following minutes. On today's lesson, we're going to see the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. We're going to learn how can we measure them and how can we express countable and uncountable nouns. Most nouns in English are countable, so that means that we can put a number before them. They have also singular and plural forms. For example, table. Table is a countable noun because we can put a number before them. One table or two tables. We can use the singular way saying one table, one single table. Or we can either say in the plural way, three tables. One table, two tables, three tables. We have also the possibility to make it plural, as in the contrary with the uncountable nouns. For example, in this picture, there are two chairs, which are here, two chairs. In this picture, there are three tables, one table, two tables, three tables. And there is a sofa in the room. Okay, so these three words or three elements are countable because we can say one chair or two chairs. We can say three tables or three tables. And also we can say one sofa. On the other hand, we have uncountable nouns. Some nouns are uncountable. That means that we cannot put a number before them. We cannot say one luggage or three luggage, as example here. They have also no plural form. We cannot say luggages. Or in the case of paper, we cannot say five papers. Or furniture, we cannot say six furnitures. So we can add a number before them. And also, we can add the S to make it plural. So we don't say luggages, we say luggage. We cannot say papers, we say paper. And we don't say furnitures, we say furniture, because all of them are uncountable. So our rule is, if you cannot put a number before them, it's an uncountable. For example, water is an uncountable because we cannot say one water or two water. Is just water. Now, how can we express quantity for uncountable nouns? Well, we can use some, little, and much to express how much we want or how much quantity we have of an uncountable nouns. For example, in this first picture, we have water. And if you can see, there's a lot of water. So we say there is some water in the jar. And in the second picture, we see the glass of water. And if we can see, there is little water. So we say there is little water in the glass. So to express quantity, we use some, little, and much. The other way to express quantity for uncountable nouns is to use counters or measure words. For example, in the sentence here, we have 6 pieces of furniture, and we are using 6 pieces as a counter or as a measure word. In the second example, we have 1 glass of water, and we are using 1 as a number, glass as a counter or as a measure word, and water, which is an uncountable noun. Okay, so in this case, we can count uncountable nouns using measure words or counters. Great. Now, let's go and practice some of these nouns, countable and uncountables. Let's start let's practice a little bit of this. Just remember that, just remember that countable nouns can be counted with numbers. Okay, for example, one apple, an apple, two apples, or three apples. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted with numbers. And in this example, we have burger, air, candies, sugar, democracy, juice, children, carrot, art, and beauty. Now, let's practice. Let's circle with pink those nouns that are countable, and let's circle with purple those nouns that are uncountable. And we have 40 seconds to do it. So let's do it. With purple, let's circle those who are uncountable. For example, sugar, it's uncountable. Juice, uncountable. Air, uncountable. Beauty and art. And with pink, carrot, candies, burger, and children. Time's up. Okay, let's review it then. Burger, countable or uncountable? Burger is countable since we can say one burger, two burger, or three burgers. Air, on the other hand, it's uncountable because we cannot say one air, two airs, or three airs. It's just a little air, some air, or much air. Candies, since it's a word in plural, it is countable because we can say one candy, two candies, or three candies. Sugar, it's uncountable because we cannot measure with numbers. We should say little sugar or much sugar. Democracy, we cannot say one democracy or two democracies. We say little democracy, or much democracy. So it's uncountable. Juice, it's uncountable. Children, we can say one children or two children, so it's countable. Art, we cannot say one art or two art. We say a piece of art, two pieces of art, so it's uncountable. Carrot, on the other hand, we can say one carrot or two carrots. Beauty, it's not measurable as one or two or three beauty. We say little beauty or much beauty. Great. So far we're doing everything good. So let's wrap up. And let's make this exercise to wrap up the lesson. Let's organize these ideas into a mental map, starting with nouns, and we continue. Okay, let's continue with the following ideas. Starting with the principal idea of nouns, we continue then with countables and uncountables. Okay. So, next idea, use some, little, much, and some to express quantity. We use it for countables or uncountables. We use it for countables. Those that we can be counted with numbers are countables. And examples. Oh, we have this other idea. Those can be counted with numbers, so are uncountables. Water, countable or not countable? It's uncountable. Carrot, it's countable. Apples are countable. Sugar is not countable, and air is not countable. So we have this mental map that we can connect. Okay. So I don't know what's going on. We can connect countables with the idea, with examples. So we have countables with the idea that we use sum, little, and much to express quantity, and we cannot be counted with numbers. And we have this example right here. So this was a little presentation of what countables and uncountables can be measured. And I hope you have enjoyed this time with me. I hope to see you soon.